Dito sa relo na to ni Slater, ang kailangan nating tingnan, the dial, which is color white, and then if you look at the numbers, gumagamit yan ng Arabic numerals except at the 6 o'clock position na parang may makikita kayong subdial. At dahil sa mga katangian na yan, tingin ko this is a Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso, classic monophase small second. So, this watch, I've always been a fan of it. This watch, while currently by today's standards, it's a dress watch, it actually started out as a sports watch na ginagamit ng mga polo players. So, nire-reverse nila yung relo para mapoprotektahan yung crystal kapag bumagsak sila while playing the game of polo. So, this watch is the monophase variant of this watch dahil si Slater in the pictures, I don't really see him use the other side. So that made me think na baka monophase ito. There are variants of this watch na duo phase or may isa pang phase yung relo kapag finlip over nyo and it tells a different time, it might have a different color, it might have a couple of complications. So ang relo na ito on the secondary market, I see it sell for up to 9,890 euros. Sa peso terms, yan ay nasa mga 685,000 pesos. Plus shipping, taxes, and duties pa. And for this money, one would actually think na baka magagamit ni Slater yang to sa baha. But that's not the case. This watch is only water resistant up to 30 meters. Kaya Slater, hindi mo yan magagamit sa baha. Ingat na lang, bro. But in terms of the alternative, ang napili ko ay ang Vario Versa. Vario started in 2016 at gumagawa sila ng vintage-inspired pieces. So, this specific watch actually is very interesting kasi much like the duo face variant of the Reverso, na-flip over ang relo na ito and it can show you a different dial. So, this one is a very interesting watch. It feels like you're buying two watches for the price of one. And for its price, $428 sa website ng Vario. That's 25,300 pesos plus shipping, taxes, and duties pa.